Image optimization or bulk image optimization has been a feature asked for Squarespace websites by the users for many years. So, for example, if you have huge galleries and hundreds of images, for you to manually download and optimize each of those pictures or images is a very, very tedious task and takes a lot of hours of your work. So SquareOptimizer helps you do that in one click. So in this video, we're gonna see how it works, and it works with every kind of your pictures. If it's on pages, product pages, blog posts, portfolio, gallery box, or simple home pages or something like that, it works for all of your images. And you can also figure out how much time and money it saves you if you use the plugin extension instead of doing it manually. So now I'm going to log in, and the process is very simple. Now the next step is to download the extension. Okay, so now we have installed the extension, and the next step is to connect the extension with our account. So as you can see, it's not connected yet. So I'm going to click connect on the top right and connect to our dashboard, connect the extension, and it should connect. All right. So as you can see that we have our email here and 5 credits. So when you sign up, you get 10 credits. So I've used five of them. And let's go ahead and go to, so this is my website, and I'm going to assets. I have 356 images. Some of them have already been optimized. So when an image has been optimized, it will get a suffix of min, hyphen min. All right. And now what I'm going to do is scan the library. So we have 356 something images. So it should take us a minute or so to scan the asset library, which is completely free. So you can scan your library as much as you want. The credits are only used when you actually optimize an image. So, all right, so we have done the scanning, and it can, as you can see, it says 356 images, and out of them, 204 need optimization. So how it chooses, or it finds that out, is we have selected a file size to be, the target file size to be 250 kilobytes, which is the recommended one by the SEO experts and Squarespace expert. You can change that and rescan as well. So that would change the total number of images that need optimization. In my case, I would like to go forward with 250 kilobytes. And as you can see, I will need 204 credits to optimize all of them, so which I don't have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to deselect all of these and only go with these 5 images because I have 5 credits only. And let's optimize. So in my case, it will be optimized in a very little time. But if you have a lot of images, 100, 200, 500, so I would suggest you to optimize in batches, or either just if you optimize them, just keep the tab open and maybe go and have a coffee or something like that while the optimization is being done. So as you can see, it says processing. So these 5 images are being optimized, and you can see the logs here, which says the 5 images in the library are being uh, optimized. All right, so optimization of these 5 images have been done, and as you can see, it says 5 images have been done, and you can download the report of this optimization. and share with, maybe if you have done this for another client or somebody else. And now these 5 images, let's see here in the library. So we have now 361, so we have 5 more images added. As you can see, the new images are there with uh, with the suffix min, and I can open these images up and see if they have lost a lot of uh, resolution, or if they're looking fine. Or you can go to the website and see how they actually look on the website to see if they have lost, if they have not lost a lot of resolution. And if they have lost a lot of resolution which you did not want, and you may want to maybe revert, that you can do as well. So in my case, I'm going to revert, for example, this image. So what it will do is it will reposition your original image to the place it was on the website and delete the optimized image. So let's just refresh. So you can see that the image is gone and we have only 4 optimized images. Now, once I see that all of these are in the right resolution on the website, what I can do is I can just go ahead and delete the originals. So what it means is that it will delete the original images while keeping the optimized images, which is done to reduce the number of files in your asset library. Or if you don't want to go ahead and manually delete the images which you don't really need now because you have optimized the images already. So I'm just going to delete these 4 images. Okay, bingo. So as you can see, now I am going to download the report and I can share that with, um, if I have done this for a client or someone. So it says the site name and the optimized images for the total data saved is this, target file size was this, and they also mention which was the original size, what was the optimized size, and how much optimization has been done for each image. So which is a great way to show your clients that you have done the optimization job, and they can go ahead and see for themselves. Now, if I want to do the optimization for another website, so what I can do is just open up that website and open the extension, and on the top you can see the name of the website, which means that this tab will work on this website only. And of course, the same steps you can do for this website as well. You don't really need to connect any APIs or anything. Just the extension that works in the browser works perfectly, and it will create separate reports for this website. So you can send your clients their own individual reports of the optimizations that you have done.